Okay, tell him.
Hello everybody. This is my baby Jacob, and he's my big little brother, and he's laughing.
Why is he laughing?
Because I touched him.
Can you put your face next to his and say cheese for the camera?
Cheese.
Well, now I can't see Jacob. You gotta put your head next to his and say cheese.
Cheese.
Can you give him a kiss? What are you watching up there?
Tom and the mouse.
Tom and Jerry?
Mouse.
Jake's got the hiccups.
I know he got the hiccups.
Can you make him stop hiccuping? Oh, you're trying to scare him out of him? Try it one more time.
Oh.
Did it work? Let's see if he still hiccups. Watch if Garrett, see if he still hiccups. Oh, he still has the hiccups. I know. Try to make a funny face instead. Make a funny face at him and his hiccups will go away. A funny face. Not a scary face. Make a funny face at him. That's not a funny face. Come on, one more time. Make a funny face.